Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jason Ricci, and I'm a professional harmonica player. I've been making YouTube videos since 2006, but I've only recently gotten really serious where I'm delivering a free video every single week. I do have a Patreon channel, and I do post other videos there, but you can check out hundreds of free instructional videos right here. I cover a lot of other topics too. I talk openly about addiction and bipolar disorder and other issues that I've had to deal with in my life. There's a lot of cool videos of touring and some funny moments from the road, some of which I could take back. But I'm leaving them up here so you can see how I've grown up right here on YouTube in front of all y'all. Please check out all of the different categories that are available here. There's things called blues stories where I talk about people I've known and some of whom have passed away. And we have videos where I have friends talk about other famous blues musicians and their travels and all kinds of stuff. There's product reviews where we go over some of the best gear that the harmonica world has to offer. As a professional harmonica player, I've been all over the world. I started at a young age, at 15, and I've been playing ever since. I learned in bars and on gigs and just kind of the hard way. But over the years, I've found that music theory and formal music instruction are very helpful in terms of growing fast without as much crazy times and crazy work. As a professional musician, I've played with some of the greatest musicians in the world and recorded with them. I'm talking about people like Johnny Winter, Terrence Blanchard, Nick Curran, Anna Popovic, Walter Trout, Cedric Burnside, the Manish Boys, and Joe Louis Walker, and many, many more. I lived and played with David Kimbrough, Junior Kimbrough's oldest son, and I did a lot of gigs with Junior Kimbrough and R.L. Burnside at their juke joints every Sunday from 95 to 96. I played at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame to induct the great Paul Butterfield with the Paul Schaefer Band featuring Tom Morello and Zach Brown. I've won a couple of Blues Music Awards from the Blues Foundation, both for Best Harmonica Player. Currently, I work with my own band, Jason Ricci and the Bad Kind. I also work with the famous New Orleans pianist Joe Crown, and we have an organ trio and a piano trio that goes on tour quite a bit, and we play here in New Orleans a lot. I play with J.J. Appleton in an acoustic trio.
Bingo! You didn't know that.
And I tour with a variety of other bands as a sideman. I've been out on the road with Nick Moss, I play with Damon Fowler, and I also play regularly with J.P. Soares out of Florida. Thank you guys very much for visiting my channel. I appreciate you all very much for watching my videos, subscribing, liking, commenting, everything. Thank you so much. See you soon.